26. Remember when you had been vastly outnumbered and oppressed in the land, constantly in fear of attacks by your enemy. Then he sheltered you and strengthened you with his help and provided you with good things, so perhaps you would be thankful. 27. O believers, do not betray Allah and the Messenger, nor betray your trust knowingly. 28. And know that your wealth and your children are only a test, and that with Allah is a great reward. 29. O believers, if you are mindful of Allah, He will grant you a standard to distinguish between right and wrong, absolve you of your sins, and forgive you. And Allah is the Lord of infinite bounty. 30. And remember, O Prophet, when the disbelievers conspired to capture, kill or exile you, they planned, but Allah also planned, and Allah is the best of planners. 31. Whenever our revelations are recited to them, they challenge you. We have already heard this recitation. If we wanted, we could have easily produced something similar. This Quran is nothing but ancient fables. 32. And remember, when they prayed, O Allah, it is this indeed the truth from you. Then rain down stones upon us from the sky, or overcome us with a painful punishment. But Allah would never punish them while you, O Prophet, were there in their midst, nor would He ever punish them if they prayed for forgiveness. 34. And why should Allah not punish them while they hinder pilgrims from the sacred mosque, claiming it to be its rightful guardians? None has the right or guardianship except those mindful of Allah, but most pagans do not know. Their prayer at sacred house was nothing but a whistling and clapping. So taste the punishment for your disbelief. 36. Surely the disbelievers spend their wealth to hinder others from the path of Allah. They will continue to spend to the point of regret, and they will be defeated by the disbelievers, will be driven out to hell. 37. So Allah may separate the evil from the good. He will pile up the evil ones all together and then cast them into hell. They are the true losers. Tell the disbelievers, if they desist from their past, will be forgiven. But if they persist, then they have an example in those destroyed before them. 39. Fight against them until there is no more persecution, and your devotion will be entirely to Allah. But if they desist, surely Allah is all seeing of what they do. 40. And if they do not comply, then know that Allah is your protector. What an excellent protector! What an excellent helper! 41. Know that whatever spoils you take, 1/5 is for Allah and the Messenger, His close relatives, orphans, the poor, and needy travelers. If you truly believe in Allah and what we revealed to our servant on that decisive day when the two armies met at Badr, and Allah is most capable of everything. 42. Remember when you were on the near side of the valley, your enemy on the far side, and the caravan below you, even if the two armies had made an appointment to meet, both would have certainly missed it. Still, it transpired so Allah may establish what He had destined, and those who were to perish, and those who were to survive might do so after the truth had been made clear to both. Surely Allah is all hearing, all knowing. 43. Remember, O Prophet, when Allah showed them in your dream as a few in number, had He shown them to you as many, you believers would have been certainly faltered and disputed in the matter. But Allah spared you from that. Surely He knows the best what is hidden in the heart. 44. Then when your armies met, Allah made them appear as few in your eyes and made you appear as few in theirs. So Allah may establish what He had destined. And to Allah all matters will be returned for judgment. 45. O believers, when you face an enemy, stand firm and remember Allah often so you may triumph. 46. Obey Allah and His Messenger and do not dispute with one another, or you would be discouraged and weakened. Persevere. Surely Allah is with those who persevere. 47. Do not be like those pagans who left their homes arrogantly, not to be seen by people, to hinder others from Allah's path. And Allah is fully aware of what they do. 48. And remember when Satan made their evil deeds appealing to them and said, no one can overcome you today, I am surely by your side. But when two forces faced off, he cowered and said, I have absolutely nothing to do with you. I certainly see what you do not see. I truly fear Allah, for Allah is severe in punishment. 49. Remember when the hypocrites and those with sickness in their hearts said, these believers were deluded by their faith. But whoever puts their trust in Allah, surely Allah is Almighty, all-wise. 50. If only you could see when the angels take the souls of the disbelievers, beating their faces and backs, saying, taste the torment of burning.